Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook anchovies, starting with selecting the freshest fish. Look for anchovies with bright, clear eyes and firm, shiny skin that springs back when you touch it lightly. The gills should be a vibrant red, not brown, and they must smell clean like the ocean, not too pungent. Choosing good quality fish is the first step to a delicious meal, ensuring a tender, flavorful outcome. Cleaning anchovies is a straightforward process that prepares them for cooking. First, gently pull off the head, then use your thumb to push out the small internal organs. They come out easily. Carefully run your finger along the backbone to separate the fillets, removing the bone entirely. Rinse the cleaned fish under cool, running water to remove any remaining scales or bits, then pat them completely dry with paper towels. Dryness is key for crispness. Pan frying is a fantastic way to enjoy anchovies, yielding a wonderfully crisp texture. First, coat your cleaned fillets lightly in seasoned flour or cornstarch for extra crunch. Heat a shallow layer of olive oil, about 1/4 of an inch deep, in a pan over medium heat until it shimmers. Fry the anchovies in small batches for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, until they are golden brown and deliciously crisp. Remember to drain them on paper towels to remove any excess oil. Baking anchovies offers a slightly different, more delicate flavor profile, perfect for a lighter dish. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the cleaned anchovies in a single layer on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Drizzle them generously with good quality olive oil, fresh lemon juice, and a sprinkle of dried oregano or thyme. Bake for about 8 to 10 minutes until the fish turns opaque and flakes easily. Consider a quick broil for the last minute to achieve a lovely golden finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.